are back in the kitchen, are we not, Bella? Yeah. Yeah? You want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're in the... Oh, she's sneaking a cucumber. We're back in the kitchen. I have some cucumbers that are going south. They're a little soft. So I picked them up at $1.99 at the store, and normally they're $4 for a bag. So I grabbed these cucumbers. I grabbed 3 of them, and
one didn't make it.
One bag did not make it. I was going to pickle them earlier, but I didn't get around to it. So as you can tell, they're a little bit soft. So it's time to pickle them. So I've already started cutting. And you'll see right here, we've got them all cut up here. I'm going to cut up the last few. What you need to pickle is your cucumbers, your sugar, your apple cider vinegar, your salt, water, and dill. We're going to do dill. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to walk you through the steps and get going. So first I'm going to cut these up and get these cut up. Then I'll tell you the ratio for the water, sugar, vinegar, and dill. Got some water. Bella wants to try a drink of vinegar, so I'm going to give her a drink of the apple cider vinegar. Very small amount, baby, because apple cider vinegar has been shown to give tummy problems with too much. Okay, so we've got 3 cups of water in here. Now we're going to put 3 cups of vinegar in, and I'm going to let Bella do it. Can you do it without spilling? There we go.
That's so good. Oh, God. Oh, God. Wait, there's a little more back in there.
Okay. Good job.
A lot of other ones.
Okay, so I forgot to take it off the ring, so we're going to make it easier on us. We're going to take it off the ring. So you got this? Now we're using, on these pickles, we're using apple cider vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar or just the white vinegar. It's completely up to you. In fact, I'm going to use white vinegar for the last cup. So this is plain distilled vinegar, and this is perfect for pickling. So we're going to use that for pickling. And what does that look like?
Pure water.
It does look like pure water. So basically what you want to do, the breakdown is really simple. 1 cup vinegar, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon salt, and do that as many as you need. Now we're doing 3, so we're going to go ahead and add in 3 cups of vinegar, 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of salt, and then we're going to put the dill in there too to add the dill.
Basically, it's 3 every day.
On this case, it is. It's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, but we did it times 3. So that means it's 3 of everything.
3.
All right, so that being the case, we need to do the sugar.
I want to try some sugar.
No, sugar is not the greatest thing for you. So here's 1.
I want to try
1 tablespoon. Pour it in.
I want to try so bad.
It'll be in there. There is another tablespoon.
Looks so good.
And 1 more. So 3, 3.
I got off of my hand.
That's all right. 3. I'm getting pretty good at this one-handed. Don't get it wet. We need it again. So now we need it for the salt.
Oh, I knew it. I knew it. It looks like the same thing. It looks like the same thing. Oops. Oops.
I'll hand it to you, baby. It does look like the same thing.
Yeah. Oops, I'm sorry.
It's okay. It happens. 1. 2. Here, I'll hand it to you, baby. I'll hand it to you. There you go. Good for motor skills, good for math. You know what? Cooking is everything, and it's great with kids. Remember, be careful. We need 1 more. And 3.
Hang my ears now.
Oh, sorry.
When you're doing it.
3. And that is... Yep, that's fine. that is it. We're going to stir this up, put some dill in there. I'm going to put it in the fridge covered. And then when it's been overnight, and then tomorrow morning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it in jars for that I've got for the pickles. So we'll put those in jars in the morning. But tonight I'm going to put them in the fridge and let them marinate overnight. So let's put the dill in. So the last step we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put the dill in. Bella's already tried a bite of dill. Do you want another bite? Just a small piece. Is that good?
Yeah.
We're just going to put the dill inside.
I want to do it.
You can do the others. We're just going to put it in and let it just marinate. And I pulled out 3 sprigs because we did 3 of 3. So I figured 3 is a good number for this one. If we need to add more tomorrow, we'll add more to the jars. So one of the pickles will be spicy, one of the jars will be spicy, and one of the jars will be dill. And if we have a third jar, we might make it, I don't know.
Maybe sweet?
Maybe. I don't know if sweet dill pickles would be very tasty. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and put this in the fridge. We will see you in the morning when we put these in jars and test out how they taste in the morning. You going to say goodnight?
Good night to every good people in the world.
All right, so I'm going to clean up and we're going to get ready for bed. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the morning on this video, so don't tune out yet. We'll see you in the morning on this video with the last part of the pickling. And our pickles are done. So I took them out of the pickling juice, which I had in the fridge, and I have put them in jars. And as you can see, I took the dill sprigs and I put them in there as well. And then in this one, I actually put some peppers in there to make them spicy because my husband likes spicy. So these will continue to ferment in the fridge. And then, of course, my daughter and I were less spicy, so these are the less spicy ones. But yeah, so pickles are done. They look great. And those pickles produce 3 jars of pickles. You go to the store and you buy 3 jars of pickles, you're spending $5 each, so $15. So we definitely save money by making our own pickles at home. So yeah, super excited to enjoy these. They taste great. They're still a little crispy. They're perfect. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.